Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's take a look at what is inside. Kind of double bagged here. There we go. Alright, well, we have stamped cross-stitch kits. Let's see. Hold that thought. Alright, so we have two cross-stitch kits, and they are from FGOBY. And we'll start with one on the top, and it's called Afternoon Tea, and it is a 40 by 65, and it comes in a zip bag. Okay, that's kind of different. Whoop. Everything's falling apart. Alright, so it has a little picture here. And it's a pretty clear picture, all things considered. Isn't that pretty? I just love that teacup and tea set. And yeah, nice big pattern. Does have 28 colors though, but I think most of the detail is going to be in the cup and the saucer and the flowers. So looks pretty good to me. I mean, it's nice and big. I mean, as far as the size wise goes here, does have product number and how big it is here. And someone asked me about this. Okay, down here it says 147 by 259. That means that there is 147 squares across and 259 squares up. So when I say it's 147 by 259 squares per square, that's what that means. So I think it's printed. I mean, it is printed well. There's nothing wrong with the paper pattern, but I mean, it's done well with only the 28 colors. I see a lot of confetti, you know, light confetti, and then there's a little bit of stronger confetti. But yeah, I think they've distributed the 28 colors really well. Let's see what we have. We have no 310 black, no 550 purple, no 823, no 939, and no 3865. So, oh, it does have 3371, which is the dark brown. So none of the normal game players is in this. But I just love the colors. I mean, it looks like you're sitting at a table right by where the window is and the sun's coming out or coming through the window, or you're sitting outside enjoying a cup of tea. I just think that is just a lovely little picture. It's kind of long and skinny, so it's not little. Let's see what we got over here. We do have a toolkit, and it has the puppy dogs. You can almost see those this time. Sometimes they get it so lightly printed. It has 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. It does come with an instruction page on how to start, how to finish, how to do the cross stitch. So that's very nice for somebody that's never done that before. It does have a sticker here. It says it's 40 by 65, and there's a product number. Paper pattern will match the canvas for symbols. Let's see how to open this. We're getting there. All right. So we have 2 skeins of this lovely pink. It's like a baby pink. It is $8.19. very gorgeous. 2 skeins of that. So that must be your background color. And we have 1 skein of 945. It's kind of a, I don't know how to explain it, like a pale caramel color. Does that work? Very nice. Lots of thread on this thread card. I guess because it's like a 65 inch, not 65 inches, 65 centimeters long. So lovely colors. There's like a couple shades down from that one. There's a lot of that. We have some bright red, blue, reds, oranges, even purples in here. Oh, and look at that teal color. Yum. There's some more yellow. Because you have that sun you have to compensate for in the pattern. So I guess that's why there's some pale and some bright yellows, if you will. Or brighter yellows. They all have kind of a golden tone to them. All right. I'm going to move this. And on our canvas, it is serged all the way around. Product number, how big it is, how many squares per square is at, there is a piece of thread that just didn't want to cooperate here. So let's take a look. Now the stitching just comes up to the edge of the numbers, but it's all very well printed. Very nice. Very good size. Like I said, the teapot itself, the base of it is pretty close to 8 1/4 inches. Okay, 8 inches across. So it's nice, big size, and lots of colors mixed in here. So that's what I said. They gotten a better mix of colors where all your shading is at. I know it's only 28 colors, and some find that irritating, but you know, sometimes it warrants it, and other times not so much. But I think it's going to be really pretty when it's done. So 64 centimeters this way, or about 25 1/4 inches. This way is 40 centimeters, or 15 3/4. 13 1/4 inches actual, and 33.5 centimeters by, oh, pretty close to 58 centimeters, or 22 3/4. So yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with this kit at all. It does have some big areas here. They could have added more things to it, you know, if they'd wanted to, but your center focus is these flowers and the teapot and the spilling of the tea and all that. So I think they did a really good job on this as far as getting things together and, what do you call it, shading things. So we'll have to see. We'll just have to see. All right, let's look at the other one that I absolutely loved, and it's in the same kind of plastic bag. So let's see what we got here. All right. This one has 28 colors as well. Beautiful picture, though. And it's very well done. I mean, you can actually see what that is. Very nice. Big pattern. Huge pattern. I don't see any smearing or smudging. It does have the product number, 50 by 50. This one was, now it said 40 by 60 on the site. It was $11.99, but evidently it's a 50 by 50. Huge pattern. Ginormous. Now this one, it is a lot bigger. Yeah, the flowers are a lot bigger than I would have given it all credit for. But they're huge. And they could have done better on this one with the 28 colors because of the definition. You just have to, like, start a flower and see if it meets your standards. That's all I can say. But it's very nicely printed. There are no smudges or smears. But I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't have a lot of definition. More so than anything. Because I thought it was a beautiful picture. So, we'll have to see. Oh, colors. We have 310 black. We have 666 red, no 550 purple. We have no 823, no 939, no 3371, and no 3865. So this one, yeah, they could have added a lot more detail up in here. So, we'll see. I've had some of these turn out, you know, pretty fair. I mean, not finished, but I mean, where I had started a flower and it had a lot more definition than I expected. Does that make sense? See what we have in here. We do have the instruction page again. Very nice. We have a toolkit, 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader with a cat. We'll call it a cat. And let's look at the threads. So we have 2 skeins of that. This is the other white, if you will. This is 3770, and it's kind of a pale orangish peach. It's kind of got an orange tone to it, but very pale. More like, I don't know, it's more orange than yellow, if you will. So you got 2 of those for that background. 817, which is a red. Kind of a cross between a fire engine red and a brick red. It's neither. It's not real bright, but it's not real bricky color. So, yeah. We have lots of oranges and reds and yellow. Again, very nice. Beautiful colors. There's an actual brick looking red. You even have magenta in this and a teal. We have pinks and corals, golds and olive green. Very nice. Beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful threads. Okay, let's look at the canvas. Yeah, they could have added some more details to this and made it a gorgeous picture. I don't know if this is one of the hooligans, but I'm trying to get it to not wrinkle up so much. Product number, how big it is, how many squares per square. It's 190 by 190, so it is square. If I can get it to unfold. Very nicely printed, though. I will give it that much. So it's got its pros and cons, but I think that up here in this flower, they could have added way more detail. And there's not much detail in the background. So for me, that's fine. Because it's like white-ish. But the flowers, they could have done a way better job. Way better job. Just saying for a friend. Because, I don't know, for such a stunning picture, you would have thought they could have gone 40-some colors. 51 centimeters that away. And, well, if I can get it undone, 50 centimeters this way. Actual picture size is almost, that's real close to 17 inches. Or 43.5 by about 43.5. 43.5, which is 17.25. So it's pretty square. They got that part right. But yeah, they could have added so much more detail and definition in this. And I didn't know it was going to be so close up. I thought it was going to be, I don't know, sometimes when I order these things, it's like I have it in my brain that it's maybe a 40 by 40. You know, it's smaller. This is ginormous and needs lots more definition. Yeah. Okay, people. That is all that I got from FGOBY. Thank you, FGOBY, for sending me these kits so that we can check them out to see whether we like them or not. They do have free shipping on orders over $39. They have cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They also do custom. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. And if they have any what do you call it? Specials, I'm sorry. Brain fart today. If any specials, I will list them in the description box below, but they usually have really great prices. And if you ever have any kind of problem with any of the kits, do contact them and let them know. Let them hear your opinion about, hey, I want more colors, or hey, the pattern needs to be bigger, whatever, you know, you think they could do better. And it's not just the company. These come from factories, so they are not in charge of how they are processed, how they were made. All they can do is contact the factory and let them know, hey, they're complaining about this, or they're complaining about that, or could you do this, or can you do that, to make the products better. So it's not the store itself's fault. It's the lies in the factory and how they are made. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.